right, I'm going to draw 2 holes on my whiteboard. And we are going to compare 2 different fractions. So I'm going to draw one hole like this. And I want them to be about the same size. So I'm going to draw them right on top of each other. And I want them to be the same size. Then I'm going to divide one hole into 3/4 and one into 1/2. So I'm going to divide this one into 3/4. So I'm going to divide it into half once. And then in half again, because that gives me 4 parts. And I need to shade 3 of my 4 parts. Because remember, this is 3/4. 4 is my whole, or how many equal parts my whole is divided into. 3 is how many pieces I need, or how many pieces I'm interested in. This one, we are going to divide it into 1/2. Because remember, it's 1 of my 2 pieces that I need. My 2 is divided equally. My 1 is how many pieces I'm interested in. So, now, I want to know which fraction is bigger and why. Did you say that 3/4 was bigger? Think about why 3/4 is bigger, besides the fact that you can see it's bigger. So one thing, you can see that it is bigger, and this is 3 of 4 parts versus 1 of 2 parts. Remember, these parts are smaller, but 3 of 4 is a lot bigger than 1 of 2. Because if you look, this is half, and this is a little bit more than half. All right, let's do one more. So if I divide, I need 2 holes, right? So I'm going to make my holes the same size. One rectangle, and another rectangle. I'm going to divide one piece into 1/3. And then I'm going to divide the other one into 6ths. Okay, so I want to know what's bigger. 2/3, 2 of 3, or 4 of 6. Look at these. Can you tell me which one's bigger? It's tricky because they look the same, right? Well, that's because they are. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about equivalent fractions. And this one shows us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 of 6. And this is 2 of 3. But remember, if we divide these into 2 parts, we get 6. And you have 4 of 6. And you can simplify 4 of 6 down to 2/3. And we are going to be learning a little bit more about this in our lesson.